What's up, everybody? MTmotoRIDER here. It has been a long time since I've rode the Sporty. So, yep, I may have rode the Sporty maybe once or twice since I got the Yamaha back in May. And it's nice to be back on it. It's a little chilly out today, but not too bad. Out here doing a Veterans Day ride. That's kind of what I wanted to talk about today, is riding in the cold. So, if you're like me, you kind of want to ride year-round, and that's all fine and good, but it's a hell of a lot colder while you're riding on a motorcycle than just standing around outside. And the key to staying warm is layers. And once it's real cold, there's no way to do it but to get heated gear. Right now I'm wearing thermal pants, thermal shirt, my riding jeans, and chaps. And then I also have a t-shirt on, a hoodie, and then my Revit Outback jacket, which has a rain liner, a thermal liner, and then of course the outer shell, which is not very breathable at all. So I'm really warm right now. But I also have a pair of Oxford pants that have a rain and thermal liner in them as well, and those are way warmer than wearing thermals and jeans and chaps. But it's all about layering. As long as you can keep your core warm, you should be fine. Because if you can keep your core warm, your core will pump warm blood out to all your extremities. I also have just some regular speed and strength riding shoes on with some thermal socks, and that is okay for the weather I'm in right now. But like I said, if it's real cold, you would need some kind of heated soles or something like that, because you can only ride so long before the cold actually starts to cut through. I mean, it happened to me last night, actually. I was wearing this same jacket, but I did not have a hoodie on under it. And I did have the Oxford pants on. But I rode long enough to where the cold started to come through, especially through my gloves. I may actually invest in a pair of heated gloves at some point, because my hands get colder than anything else. And when your hands get cold and they start to hurt, man, you just don't want to ride anymore. Or at least I don't. You can also install heated grips on your bike for pretty cheap. I'm pretty sure you can get those fairly cheap nowadays, actually. So that's another option you could do. Of course, that'll keep your palms warm, but it won't do much for the top of your hands. But anything waterproof or windproof would be perfect to wear when it's cold, because if you can keep the cold air off of your body, you could stay really warm. I'm pretty sure on some bikes you can buy heated seats, or maybe install some sort of insert under your seat cover or something like that that's heated. And I mean, they make all kinds of heated stuff to stay warm in the cold. But if you like to ride year-round like I do, definitely layer up. If it's cold enough, purchase some heated gear, use that. But if you're going to ride in the cold, just stay warm. And if you get cold, pull over, go inside a gas station, something like that, warm up. I mean, you can have fun riding in the winter just as much as you can have fun riding in the summer. It's just all about having the right gear and staying warm and all that stuff. Anyway, I'm going to continue to ride. You guys stay warm this winter. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.